Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the silicone cover with S Pen for the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. These things are hard to come by right now. I actually picked this up open box on eBay. I still paid about retail price for it, just a little bit more. But these things aren't shipping for about 1 to 2 months if you order them from Samsung or Amazon. And I also couldn't find one at Best Buy. So if it looks like it's got fingerprints and stuff on it out of the box, it does. It was, I wouldn't say used because the phone hasn't been out long enough for it to be used. But it was open box. I'm assuming they got it with the phone as a gift or something like that from Samsung and probably sold it because they didn't like it. So I'm just going to give it a quick wipe down real quick, being that it is has been touched by somebody else, just given the current situation out there. So just going to give it a quick wipe down with my Whoosh screen cleaner here because it is a kind of like a sanitizer as well. It does pretty good at cleaning things up. So in the box you do get this, you get the S Pen and you get the S Pen tips and removal tool. Go ahead and snap my phone in. I do have the white stone dome screen protector on there, and that does not cause any issues whatsoever. We'll go ahead and put the S Pen in here. The tip goes towards the bottom. You put that in first and then snap it in on the top. A lot of people were complaining about this case having that little extra space on the left hand side for the pen. I actually kind of like it though, because when I'm holding the phone, it gives you kind of somewhere to grip the phone with your thumb like that, like I have it now, without having to worry about the edge of the screen or the screen and mispressing and stuff like that. So it gives you a little bit of a grip, which I find quite nice. It actually feels pretty good for me, but different people like different things. So I'll turn my S Pen on here. I did have it off. It comes on by default, I think, but I turned it off because I wasn't planning on using this. So I just turned that back on. You can see here we get the S Pen menu right there. When you tap it, it detects the S Pen on the screen. So all that kind of stuff works as normal. This S Pen doesn't have Bluetooth or anything like that. It's just kind of like the old style S Pen from, like, I want to say the Note 8, Note 9 kind of days. But it does work good for just navigating through the screen and writing and typing and stuff like that. Drawing, all that kind of stuff works just fine. No problems there, so that's pretty cool. Really nice to have this on an S series phone and not have to get a Note, because like I said, we may not have the Note this year, so we'll have to see about that. But very nice case. I wouldn't pay too much for one, but if you can find it for the $69.99 that they are, I would say that it's worth it. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.